Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a scrolling text animation in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So we'll place our text right here and we will duplicate this very much alike. So let's duplicate this. So let's just go ahead and place it right there. And then from there, you'll use text plus, by the way. So next is your line spacing. Just place it against each other as much as possible. So there you go. And then right click text plus, and then from there open the Fusion page. Here in your template you will have to select the rectangle one, then you just adjust it so until you see one word. So if you're not that professional, go to template right here, and then you will go to your layout and then adjust your Y so that you will find the perfect size for that. Then we'll go back to rectangle again and adjust it accordingly. So now you have this. So I am 24 frames per second, so I'll just go with 12. So let's go with 12 right here, and then we will have to go back to our template. So here we will have to make our timeline right here. So we have to adjust it until we see the last word. So here, in my case, it's this. So now once we have done that, go here, and then we make our template again, our diamond or our marker. Now we go back to the very last word we have, and there you go. So it's gonna do this basically. So you want to add motion blur to this, you can do so. So you can just add some motion blur to smooth it out, and then you can speed it up too if you want to, so that it won't be just ugly as what I did. So it's just an example on how you do it. So this is how you make a scrolling text animation in DaVinci Resolve basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.